Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys we will take a look at the euro currency finally, since the moment that we have discussed yesterday and we have expected finally has been completed. So let's applause to Reserve Bank of the New Zealand that hasn't cut the rate yesterday and hasn't approved the expectation of the investors. That's why, as you can see, Kiwi has skyrocketed and finally has reached our predefined level. So this event has led market to complete long-term ABCD pattern on the weekly chart. So ABCD target has been hit, and this was and this is not just the target. This is the agreement resistance on the weekly chart with the major 618 fib level, and also guys, this is the weekly overbought on the New Zealand dollar. So this is very cool setup for a possible taking the short position. If even minor retracement will happen as a reaction on this event, you could imagine what the minor retracement on the weekly chart is. So this will be very significant action on the daily chart and the intraday charts even more. But although the preparation for this trade has been completed, but it doesn't mean that we should take the position immediately with going short. This is extended time period, so weekly chart is the medium-term perspective. That's why we need to get the pattern that will let us to take the short position, the pattern that will point us where to place the stop order, because there will be different stops for hand shoulders. Different stop will be for brand body, different stop will be for the some, I don't know, maybe candle patterns or something of that sort. So that's why we just need to get a bit more patience and wait. When we will get the pattern, we will take the trade. But don't be worried. We will try to do not miss this opportunity, and we will continue to keep an eye on the New Zealand dollar. But today, as the market just has hit the predefined level, probably hardly we could do something on the Kiwi today. This gives us the chance to take a look at the euro currency. Actually guys, it doesn't mean that the euro currency is more attractive than the New Zealand dollar right now, but we again will continue to utilize the relation between different currencies. So as the New Zealand dollar is dollar related and the euro currency is dollar related, as we said in the weekly research, that let's base our analysis on the New Zealand dollar. Although we do not seek the clearer hints and clearer targets on other currencies, but the New Zealand dollar has a great upside potential, and probably it should move slightly higher and reach 71.50. And let's transpose this expectation on other currencies and on the gold market, and this has worked. So you can see on the euro currency moved above 114 yesterday. The gold market has moved to the 1264. All dollar-related currencies also has completed upward direction, so has shown the upward direction. But now we see that the potential on the New Zealand dollar is exhausted, and market really hardly will continue to move higher significantly in the nearest time. Does it mean that something of the same we could expect on other currencies? Well, very probable, because on the euro currency, if you remember our long-term analysis, this drop was in fact a reversal swing on the monthly chart, reversal candle on the monthly chart, and such sort of action very rare. Just occasionally stops and turn to the opposite direction. Usually market shows the continuation of the reversal candles. At least some minor continuation should happen. Something of that sort I had drawn here. It doesn't mean that this will happen as I drawn, but this is just approximately what could happen. Maybe market will continue move slightly high and hit the monthly pivot resistance, then drop to the downside. Maybe market will not complete the AB equals CD leg. Maybe it will show just the 618 target. something of that sort. But anyway, some kind of the continuation probably should happen. At least odds suggest it. So on the daily chart, we see that market has hit the 114.15 fib level, fib resistance area, and this is area where theoretically downward turn, reversal to the downside could happen. That's why currently we should keep a close eye on this level and watch for possible short signals that could appear here, bearish signals. For example, on the hourly chart, guys, what we have this construction. So you can see the very strong bearish divergence with the MACD indicator right on the fib level, and market is forming some kind of it's very difficult to call maybe as a head and shoulders, but sideways action, some kind of the action with accompanied by the divergence. Maybe market will form here some kind of free drive. So 127. So retracement, and then market will move to the next level, some kind of this action. But this has the shape of the reversal pattern, and it's very strong contrast between this action and that action. So market is slowing down. It's come down a bit. Fed meeting will be just a week ahead, so it's very close. Maybe some traders will turn to taking the profits on this recent rally. And although I also think that hardly Fed will raise rates in June, because it will be too contradictional to the recent data. And Fed do not like to disturb market too much. They try to do everything smooth and prepare market to the solutions. That's why Fed definitely, I think, will not raise rate in the June, but they could give the clear hint on the possible rate in July, and that will bring the same effect as it rise in rate, as it give the hint. Because if investors will understand that the rate will be raised in the July, this also will have the strong impact on the market. That's why maybe to the preparation to this possible hints and speech from the Yellen on this topic, on this sub, so maybe investors will start to preparation for possible to the Fed meeting and trying to take the profit on this recent rally. So anyway, guys, this reminds me some kind of the reversal pattern still forming. Maybe this will be some kind of the head and shoulders. But definitely here are the signs of this housing market. Also, by looking at this situation through the prism of the New Zealand dollar, that's also has the limitation of the possible upward action, and most probably will turn to the retracement. Who knows? Maybe this retracement will be triggered particularly by the United States dollar events, United States dollar news. Maybe this will be on the background of the Brexit, because uncertainty still exists, and in such situations some demand of the safe haven assets increases. That could trigger some short-term demand for the United States dollar, and this also will press on other currencies. The combination of these issues could really trigger some demand on the United States dollar in perspective of the couple of weeks. That's why, guys, here we have probably we see a starting point of some reversal pattern on the euro currency in the short-term perspective. At least this stands in agreement with our thoughts that we have acknowledged in our recent analysis on the euro currency. So we expect the drop, deep retracement, and then probably should start the continuation. Who knows, maybe this particular starting point. So our task here is just to continue watching for that and get the clearer pattern. So maybe this will be, as I said, head and shoulders. Maybe market will form the three drive. But if any reversal pattern will be formed, that will be probably the signal for the possible downward continuation, downward second leg on the daily chart. That's what we will be particularly watching for on the euro currency. And of course, we will keep an eye on the New Zealand dollar. So just waiting for the pattern that will let us to take the short position on the weekly chart on the United States dollar. Also, guys, it's a very interesting situation right now on the Canadian dollar. Since you could see what is happening with the crude oil, and Japanese yen also is some interesting situation. So we will inform you with any patterns that we will see with our daily videos. So right now, let's continue to keep an eye on the euro currency.